didn't came on planet to play with humans. We didn't enter planet here to play with humans. We enter planet to call down hurricane. We enter planet to call down earthquakes. We enter planet to call down volcanoes. We enter planet to call down fire. And when the Almighty God send the order, I hope you listen very carefully, and I hope that you respect the order of God. We are the Joshua tribe. You have the Genesis tribe. You have the Exodus tribe. I am the Joshua tribe. You have the Genesis tribe that comes. You have the Exodus tribe. You have the Revelation tribe. I am the Joshua tribe. In real life. In real life, my father's name was Joshua. So it is not a coincidence that I am here prophesying to you today, Jamaica. In real life, my father's name was Joshua. My brother's name is Samuel. We have returned. We have returned. The Joshua tribe, the warrior tribe has returned. I am Levites. I carry the ark of the covenant of God. I am. In the Bible speak about the Levites. We hold the gate.